Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken tikka. First, cut about 5 pounds of boneless chicken into 1-inch pieces. Next, prepare your marinade by mixing plain yogurt with ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, cumin, and garam masala. Ensure the chicken is fully coated. Marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes, or for best flavor, let it sit in the refrigerator for up to 12 hours. Now, let's get ready to cook. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or prepare your outdoor grill for medium-high heat. Carefully thread the marinated chicken pieces onto metal skewers, or use wooden skewers that have been soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. Arrange the loaded skewers on a baking sheet lined with foil, or place them directly onto your hot grill grates. Cook the chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning them every 5 minutes to ensure even cooking. If using an oven, you might want to broil them for the last 2 to 3 minutes to get that lovely charred effect. Always check that the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's fully cooked and safe to eat. This step is crucial for perfect tikka. Once cooked, remove the chicken tikka from the heat and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. Serve your delicious chicken tikka hot with warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or a crisp green salad. This easy guide helps you create a fantastic meal everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.